Hello and welcome. At Ideal Protein, we want to help you find your unique macro code. Just like an individualized thumbprint, we're going to help you find an individualized food plan that's going to help you maintain your weight loss goal for life. We know in phase one, nutritional ketosis has you feeling great while losing weight. Then we stabilize with our new updated phase two. Now we have a year-long phase three support plan for maintenance. We have to begin with a target. So when entering stabilization, we're going to provide you with a target range and a macro need sheet that's going to tell you exactly how many servings of protein, fat, and net carbs you can begin with to build out your food record. Your coach is going to work with you to build out this plan where you can enjoy all of these macronutrients together again, all of those foods that you missed before. And we're going to slowly increase those net carbs week to week until we find your macro code. This macro code is found once we know there's no weight gain, no cravings, no hunger, and you have optimal energy levels all day long. Then we're going to provide you with our maintenance materials to support you. And within those materials, you're going to get a planner and a journal because we know you have to have a plan, but you may not always stick to that plan. So we also have a journal for accountability. It is so important to really solidify these lifestyle habits. And then your coach is going to support you for the year ahead with everything: home environment, lifestyle habits, and of course, the mind and body connection. So please join us and help push this food is medicine movement forward because we know weight loss is healthcare. Ideal Protein is truly a metabolic transformation. So please reach out to your coach if you're interested to learn more. They have all of the materials to help educate you along the way. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day.